Two detectors on this list are the same machine, same chassis, same coil, same battery. One costs $185 more for a single change under the hood, and nobody selling them tells you that. I found it by pulling every price, frequency, waterproof rating, and warranty figure straight from Minelab's official US store, Nokta's own spec tables, and First Texas Products factory page. Here is the rest of what turned up. One machine here was quietly replaced by a newer model, which is exactly why it is now the smartest buy on the list. I will also name the popular budget detector thousands of people recommend that you should never buy, and give you one spec sheet trick that stops most bad purchases. All product links are in the description. Number 6, Bounty Hunter Tracker. 4, from First Texas Products, the factory in El Paso, Texas, $93.99. What that buys? A 6.6 kilohertz VLF circuit, an 8-inch waterproof concentric coil, 3 modes, all metal, tone, and full discrimination, preset ground balance, 2 9-volt batteries running 20 to 25 hours, 2.6 pounds, and a 1/4-inch headphone jack. What it lacks matters more. No LCD, no numeric target ID, no pinpoint button, no backlight. Your entire readout is one analog needle. And that needle is why this machine refuses to die. On a bright July afternoon, an LCD washes out to a gray smear. A needle does not. Older detectorists with weaker close vision often read it faster than a screen, and hearing-impaired users can hunt off it alone. First, Texas's own published figure is coin-sized targets around 6 to 8 inches, larger objects past a foot in all metal. 2 warnings. Only the coil is waterproof. The control box is not weather-rated. And First Texas lists 2 years on the product page, while older printed material shows a longer figure, so confirm coverage in writing before you pay. Buying advice, and this one matters. This is the only detector here you can walk in and hold. Walmart, Target, and outdoor retailers stock it. If you would rather see it before you buy, that is a real advantage. At the shelf, confirm the box says Tracker 4 or TK4 because displays mix Bounty Hunter models constantly and grab 9-volt batteries, not included. The detector I promised to name. Search Metal Detector on Amazon, and the top results are $80 to $150 machines with 4.5 stars and thousands of reviews. 12-inch coil, DSP chip, 5 modes, color screen. Skip everyone. No US service center. No repair parts, no downloadable manual, no firmware support, and target ID numbers that jump on the same coin depending on swing speed, which makes the screen worse than useless. It teaches you to trust bad data. The Tracker 4 at $94 looks weaker on paper and performs better in the dirt because a factory and a phone number stand behind it. The rule, no service address, no manual, no claimable warranty. It is a toy with a screen. Number 5, Nokta Simplex Ultra, around $299 at authorized dealers against a $349 list. 15 kilohertz single frequency, IP68 to 5 meters, 16 feet. And that covers the whole machine, not just the coil. 6 search modes, field, park, 4-tone, 99-tone, beach, and all metal. Target ID 01 to 99, 30 sensitivity levels, automatic and manual ground balance, adjustable recovery speed, tone break, tone frequency, and tone volume. Notch discrimination, iron off, frequency shift, and a target depth readout. Fully carbon fiber shaft, the 11-inch SX 28 DD coil, 2.6 pounds. The shaft telescopes from 52 inches down to 25, 2,300 milliamp hour battery, Bluetooth built in, 3-year warranty, and free firmware updates over USB. Real world, this is the machine that stops you buying a second detector. Wade a creek, work a rainy field, stand in surf without a thought, then retract the shaft into a day pack. 2 buying traps. Simplex sells as Lite, BT, and Ultra, near identical in photos. Lite has no Bluetooth. Only the Ultra gets recovery speed, tone break, and depth readout. Second, the Ultra has Bluetooth but no headphones in the standard box. The WHP package is the one with wireless headphones. The on a ceiling, it is one frequency. On wet salt sand, it will chatter where a multi-frequency machine stays quiet. Number 4, Minelab X-Terra Pro. $294.99 on Minelab's own US store right now, against a $329.99 regular price. The feature that earns its place is PRO Switch. 4 selectable single frequencies at 5, 8, 10, or 15 kilohertz, changed at a button press. 5 reaches deeper on large silver, 15 wakes up on small gold and thin rings. Most detectors here lock you into one number for life. IP 68 to 16 feet, whole machine. 3 search modes, park, field, and beach, each with 2 custom profiles. 119 target IDs, ferrous -19 to 0 and non-ferrous 1 to 99, sorted across 30 discrimination segments. Ground balance automatic, manual, and tracking. Audio in 1, 2, 5, all tones in depth. control pod flashlight, red backlight, backlit keypad, hand grip vibration, built-in low latency wireless audio, plus wired NA speaker, a 5,100 milliamp hour battery, 2.9 pounds, packing to 25 inches, up to a 3-year warranty. The quiet win nobody mentions. It ships with the V12X 12x9 coil, accepts the VV8X and V10X, and works with every Equinox coil. That is the largest coil library in this bracket, and coils are how you fix a sight problem later without buying a new machine. Remember those numbers. They come back at number 2. The limit, 1 frequency at a time. On saltwater beaches, you hit a wall a multi-frequency machine walks through. Number 3, Minelab Vanquish. 440. This is the one that got quietly replaced, and that is exactly why it is here. Street price now runs $249 to $299 depending on dealer, against a list around $373. For that, you get Multi-IQ, Minelab's simultaneous multi-frequency engine, the same core technology family that powers the Equinox line. 4 preset fine modes, coin, relic, jewelry, and custom, plus an all-metal shortcut. 10 sensitivity levels, 12 discrimination segments, target IDs from -9 to 40, 5-level depth indicator, automatic ground balance and noise cancel across 19 channels, V1010x7 DD coil, 2.6 pounds, 4 AA batteries, wired headphones included, 3-year warranty. Sirius Detecting's published field expectation with the stock coil at medium sensitivity, clad coins at 6 to 8 inches in average park soil, large silver dollars at 8 to 9 inches in clean ground. Now the part that changes your decision. Minelab launched the Vanquish 60 series, 360, 460, and 560, replacing the 340, 440, and 540. The 440 is the outgoing model, and that is why dealers are letting it go near $249. 2 rules. Pay clearance money, never old list money. And know the trade. The coil is waterproof to about 1 meter, the control pod only water resistant under its rain cover. The replacement 460 is $349 on Minelab's own store, and that extra 100 buys IP 68 to 16 feet, 30 discrimination segments, 3 iron bias settings, a lithium battery, and Bluetooth LE audio. Water Hunter. Pay the 100. Parks, pastures, and dry ground. The 440 near 249 is the best dollar per inch here. Here's the trick I promised. Never read the word waterproof. Read what is waterproof. Waterproof search coil and IP 68 to 5 meters are 2 completely different products at similar money. Tracker 4, coil only, box unrated. Vanquish, 440, coil to 1 meter, pod water resistant. Simplex Ultra, X-Terra Pro, X-Terra Elite, and our number 1, the whole machine to 16 feet. And check one more line before checkout. Whether headphones are in the box. 4 machines here have wireless audio built in and ship without a single pair. Number 2, Minelab X-Terra Elite, $479 direct from Minelab's US store. And here's the reveal I promised in the first 20 seconds. Look at what the Elite shares with the X-Terra Pro at number 4. Same 119 target IDs, same 30 discrimination segments, same 3 modes with 2 profiles each, same V12X coil, same Equinox compatibility, same 5,100 milliamp hour battery, same 2.9 pounds, same 25-inch collapsed length, same IP 68 to 16 feet, same 3-year warranty. Your extra $185 buys exactly one thing, Multi-IQ. The Pro selects 1 frequency at a time. The Elite transmits and receives across the whole spectrum at once, and beach mode runs Multi-IQ only. That is the entire decision. Saltwater, mineralized ground, or heavy iron, that engine is worth every cent. Dry inland dirt, it may not be. Round it out. Sensitivity 1 to 25, iron bias -1 to 2, audio in 1, 2, 5, all tones and depth across 25 volume levels. Ground balance automatic, manual and tracking, 6 custom profiles, and park and field can drop to 15 kilohertz when you want it. Buying trap, and dealers cause this one. There are 2 versions. The standard Elite at $479, which ships without headphones, and the Expedition Pack, which adds the V8X 8x5 coil and ML85 wireless headphones. Listings often show the pack photo under the plain name, so read the SKU, not the title. Number 1, Nokta Score, $329 at authorized US dealers, against a list of $379 to $399. Simultaneous multi-frequency, plus a 15 kilohertz single frequency option. IP 68 to 5 meters, 16 feet, whole machine. A 12x9 inch SC30 waterproof DD coil, one of the largest stock coils in this bracket. 60 target IDs across 30 discrimination segments with 4 discrimination patterns. Automatic frequency shift across 13 channels, which is how you survive hunting near power lines. Ground suppressor 0 to 8. Pinpoint, depth indicator, and vibration. Backlit LCD and keypad. LED flashlight. Carbon fiber lower shaft, 2.6 pounds, adjusting 25 to 52 inches. A 3,250 milliamp hour battery, good for 12 hours off any USB power bank. Bluetooth built in. 3-year warranty and free firmware updates. Version 1.2 improved pinpoint and beach mode and raised the volume of weak, deep signals. Why number 1? True simultaneous multi-frequency, full 16-foot submersion, a 12x9 coil and a 3-year warranty at $329. Run with 3 buttons. The Elite's multi-IQ costs $150 more. Nothing here gives this much technology per dollar with so little to learn. The honest limits, straight from Nokta's own comparison table. Sensitivity has 5 steps, not 30. There's no user adjustable ground balance, no auto, no manual, no tracking, no recovery speed, no notch filter. In heavily mineralized red clay or hot rock ground, you will feel that ceiling. Buying trap, and it is the biggest in this video. There are 3 scores: Score, Double Score, and Triple Score Pro Pack. Double Score adds sensitivity 1 to 10, iron filter, notch, recovery speed, and full ground balance. Triple Score adds 4 and 20 kilohertz, a second coil, and Bluetooth headphones. Dealers list all 3 on pages titled simply Score, so verify the model printed on the control box in the product photo, and the base Score ships without headphones. So, mild soil, switch it on and hunt. Base Score. Iron heavy old permissions, step up to the Double Score or the Elite. Quick recap: $94 for first weekend, $249 for the most depth per dollar, $295 for switchable frequency, $299 for the best waterproof all-rounder, $329 for the most technology per dollar, $479 for multi-IQ with the most adjustment. One last thing that protects your money: buy from an authorized US dealer. It is the cleanest way to get full warranty support and stay clear of gray market units. These are promotional prices and they move, so check the links below before ordering. Tell me which one you picked in the comments, and if this saved you a bad purchase, subscribe.